Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us here today. And I'm really excited to be sharing a project that my team and I have been working on for the past week in collaboration with a fantastic company called Form. A little bit about Form. Form is a celebration of youth and emerging artists exploring boundless possibilities of the body and motion through film. However, the journey of the festival doesn't end on the screen. It also extends to the digital realm where users are currently facing some challenges. The challenge largely has to do with users navigating the current website and encountering roadblocks. The lack of clarity in presenting the festival lineup and ticket options has led to some frustration and a decline in conversions. And that's where our team comes in. Allow me to introduce Aiden, Bershu, Ha, and myself. We're not only here to fix usability issues, but we're also here to elevate the entire digital experience, ensuring that everyone has a seamless and enjoyable time using the site. And so, based off our problem statement, our mission becomes clear. The first is to simplify navigation. We're reimagining the website structure to make it a bit more intuitive and user friendly. Festival goers should effortlessly find what they're looking for, whether it's the lineup, schedule, or ticket information. The second goal is to streamline checkout. We're optimizing the checkout process to ensure a hassle-free experience. Lastly, we also want to preserve festival essence. While we revamp the usability, we're mindful of the festival's unique identity as well.
We started our process with research to understand the project context, target audience, and objectives. So, I want you to meet Emily, a 24 years old filmmaker facing the challenge of finding a platform to showcase her films. Balancing freelance work with personal projects is tough, and in the competitive filmmaking world, visibility is a key. And Emily struggles to find a platform that gathers her creative needs and provides a professional space for presenting her work. And also, I want to present you Sarah, a 29 years old festival goer, faced frustration trying to engage with this platform. Despite her excitement purchasing tickets and exploring the festival schedule on the website proved challenging. Our in-depth comprehension of challenges faced by filmmakers and festival goers like Emily and Sarah led us to develop a tailored solution. Recognizing the interest balance required between freelancing and professional creative projects, we created a dedicated platform. This platform not only accommodates the unique demands of their profession, but also provides a polished space for showcasing films in a professional manner. In our redesign, we have prioritized three key elements: functionality, usability, and interactivity.
For colors, we decided to use infrared colors such as purple, pink, and blue to evoke a sense of energy and movement. These colors can also symbolize the dynamic and ever-changing nature of body movement. Our contrasting colors include red and black as accent colors to add depth and drama. In terms of visual elements, our team decided to use a lot of abstract motion graphic. In addition, we also utilized imagery that captures the essence of dance, motion, and film. This includes silhouettes of dancers, films, and reels, or abstract representations of human form.
For our typography, we chose a bold and modern font, and this was Roboto Condensed. This would allow us to emphasize innovation and technology through a clean and readable typography for essential information. As well, we considered artistic fonts for headings or creative elements to enhance visual appeal. Moving on to our visual hierarchy. For our visual hierarchy, we decided to create clear font sizing and weight prioritization for crucial information, making navigation intuitive. As well, for formatting content, we optimize the layout for Mac to ensure the content fits without over-scrolling, offering a seamless experience for prototyping. And as you can see from our slide here, for Gallery Walk, the event, we have Get Tickets as an outline button, as that is where we want the user's eyes to go immediately, since that's the prioritization for our client. Next, let's talk about adapting to our client's needs. We proactively integrated client feedback to ensure the website aligned with their vision, emphasizing design, feature visibility, and branding. We focused on boosting ticket sales and donations, and responding directly to the client's requests of getting their most important KPI, which was the tickets, donations, and sales. And then we adapted to website features and aesthetics to meet client objectives, enhancing user engagement and financial support.
Now, in most cases, the landing page is the first point of contact between users and the festival. And so we really wanted to be intentional with what we show and the themes that we want to convey from the beginning. And as you can see here, our landing page design seamlessly combines elements from different concepts to create a cohesive and visually appealing interface. In addition, we also decided to put some call to action buttons, mainly the get tickets and donate buttons. Again, in the original website, there was no immediate access point for users to find these pages. And special attention was given to button clarity and placement to enhance user experience.
Moving on to one of our most crucial aspects in terms of design, we have the list and calendar view. For our client, she wanted us to have a solid calendar view since that's what she was comfortable with. However, we realized that it was difficult to portray the information in the way she wanted if we only had the calendar view. So we integrated a list view as well. And so we have a filter and calendar view options enabling a seamless toggle between calendar and list views, which was appreciated by the client. As well, we have enhanced user interaction by providing versatile event discovery options. We also made event exploration more user-friendly, catering to diverse preferences of how the information is accessed and displayed, as I mentioned before in terms of how the client and many other users prefer the calendar view.
So once you have chosen an event from the scheduling page, you will be taken to a dedicated page for this one specific event. The main things that I decided to add were two call to action buttons in the middle of the page and also on the right toggle menu. From my evaluation of the original website, it seemed that there was a lot of information to go through. I found myself having to scroll a lot. And so what I did was I decided to create a toggle menu so that users can easily flip between pages if they wanted to find specific information. So yeah, once you land onto the event page, the default is that you will be given an overview of important information only. Beneath the overview, you could toggle between more information, primarily between about, specific page sections that the client might want to add, and you can also collapse those as well. I decided to have the option to switch between gallery and display view. In addition, you could also see that I've added a search bar in case the users want to look for a specific film or director that they might want to see. And also, they have the option to filter any content as well if they want to get more specific in terms of their searches. In both gallery and single event view, users have the option to click more info and then collapse that as well for a bit more access to information.
For our donation page redesign, we wanted to go with a clean, white box background to empathize content and facilitate user focus on donation options. Our design integrates a diverse array of payment methods, ensuring a seamless and inclusive donation experience. Clear labels guide users through the payment process, fostering a sense of trust and ease during the transaction.
The current box office page is filled with information to explain them and therefore is quite text heavy. And so we address this by implementing a toggle list. And so if the user is interested in this information, they can click on it and learn more. We followed 3 key design choices. The first one is button consistency and accessibility. So we designed our buttons consistently with clear labels and accessible overlays on images and ADA compliant graphic shapes for the buttons to make sure they are easily navigable and provide a clear exit path for users. Secondly, since Forum is a film festival, we stick to the movie theme for all the pages we designed. We implemented an approved color palette across all the pages to ensure visual coherence and brand alignment.
Lastly, we'd like to extend a thank you to all the organizers. This has been an amazing experience, and we acknowledge that this must have been a ton of work to put together. This has also been our first time doing a design hackathon, and we're extremely grateful that we've been given this opportunity to produce something that could be useful for our client. Thank you for considering our project.